To use the dive case for your wide-angle mod, first unlock the buckle and open the case. Next, insert the 1R into the case and be sure to align the buttons correctly. After you've correctly aligned the 1R, place the anti-fog inserts into the dive case.
Please lock the touchscreen to avoid accidental presses.
Lock the dive case by latching the buckle closed. Remember, if you're going to use the dive case with other accessories, be sure and stick a stability pad onto the screw points for extra protection.
After locking the touchscreen, tap the power button to change modes. And tap the shutter button to start or stop shooting.